Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Leann, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back guys. If you're not already subscribed guys, please go ahead and do so. Click the subscribe button right now, and if your bell notification isn't on, please go ahead and click the little bell notification so you'll be updated every time I do an upload. Okay, let's get right into this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I maintain my new cut that I got. So I got this textured Pixie cut. If you haven't seen my previous video where I style it, I'm gonna link it up above so you guys can take a look at that, so you can go watch that after this video, or even before stop this video, go watch it and then come back. So yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys and sharing with you guys the tools and products that I use to maintain it throughout the weeks. I just washed my hair and I just restyled it. It's been 2 weeks since I did that last video, so this is an updated mold and wash and everything that I have in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare it to go to bed at night, and then in the morning time when I get up, how it's going to look. Okay, so this is how the style is looking. Like I said, I just washed my hair and restyled it, and it came out pretty beautiful. I love it, still good. And last time I relaxed was June 7th. So I'm about, that's like 3 weeks. We're going on 3 weeks, right? Let me double check. Okay, so June 7th, 1 to 3 weeks, yeah. Well, 4 weeks. So it's like a month since I relaxed my hair, and it's still looking good. Let's have a look. I still get my little lines. So my husband, he'll kind of freshened them up once for me when he was on vacation. So they're still in there, and the back still nice and tapered. I like when it's tapered because it'll last so long, and that's how it's looking. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap it up for the night. There was a learning curve with this cut because this is my first time ever, having this cut. So I had to learn how to prep it and, pin it up for the night. And I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. So in case you decide to get a cut like this, you know how to take care of it in the night. Yeah, so I kind of had to learn what to do, and to just do so, I'm going to be just using some bobby pins that I have here. My rat tail comb, and I got my, what do you call this thingy, my netted wrap for my sides. And then I got some coconut oil here, and I'm going to explain what I do with the coconut oil in a few seconds. So okay, so to prepare for bed, I also have my my bonnet, but I don't have it here. I gotta go for it. So later on in the video, we're gonna go for my bonnet so we can put it on. Okay, so first thing to prep is I'm gonna get a couple bobby pins, a couple of these bobby pins. The part I'm gonna pin curl is where I want my hair to be nice and full and fluffy when I wake up in the morning. So I ain't to worry about the sides, but the part I want to be fluffy is this piece right here. So this is where I'm gonna concentrate on doing my pin curls for the night. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin and start pin curling my hair. Yeah, the pin curl is gonna work for this style. So I'm just gonna take a piece from here, like starting from the top, and pin curl every place I want volume to be. So I just roll it and just pin it down. So here, and pin it down like that. So I'm gonna continue doing this to the center, and yeah, we're gonna just speed up the video a little bit just to save some time. Okay, so this side now, we are going to be pin curling it in the opposite direction because how my hair cut is like it coming like layers like this way, then in the front, and then this way. So I kind of pin curling it in the direction that the cut is going. So as you can see, these, it's like, see, going that way, you can see. So that's the direction I'm gonna pin curl it. And there we go. So that's about it for the pin curls. Everything else I just leave, like, because I like it like flat. I like this size flat, and then in the morning I'll just take the white tooth comb. Excuse me, that's me. I'll take the white tooth comb and I'll go in each direction and just fluff it up. So now what I do is take my netted cap, my netted wrap cap, and I just take and place it on my back, on my sides, like this, and just like this. Then I bring it down, slide it down with the back, and then when I finish with that, I'm gonna get my bonnet and put on top. Hold 1 second, let me go get it. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm just gonna take my bonnet and put it over my head. And of course it's on the wrong side, but that's okay. Yeah, and then that's it. Ready for bed, go to sleep. That's how I prepare for bed. And then in the morning when I get up, this is all I do. Take off the bonnet, take off the thing, it roots up a little bit, and say if I see that it looks dry or whatever, this is where I take my coconut oil. I'm gonna take a little bit, just like a little that, not too much, about a little smack, a little bit, just to get some oil on my hand, and I pat it in and then smooth it down, and then I'll just start taking out my bobby pins. So now I'm going to take my big thick comb and just fluff it out. And I just do like this in the direction like I showed you guys. And I just play with it until I feel like I like how it look. And like I said before, this style lasts me 2 weeks until I have to wash and mold it again. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more pixie cut videos, I'm gonna leave them linked right here in this video. You can just click on the next one and continue to watch it. And of course, I also have a playlist, so if you want to see my whole entire pixie cut playlist, just head back over to my channel, click on the tab playlist, and you'll be able to watch all my pixie cut hair tutorial videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still in love with this cut. You guys stay blessed, be safe. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle right here. And see you in another one. Take care. Bye bye.